him because nobody was going to stop him. Second guy trying to get to him is going to be late. So he's up ahead of the ball, and they get him the ball.
Paul Pierce back in L.A., no doubt watching this game. 81. 28 for 46.
Boy, that's a lot of shots.
That's a lot of shots.
Darko Milčić, tehnika uprkos poreza, prvi udesi.
Ništa, ova tri govnara najveća, ove tri pičketine od sudija su nas pokrile, eto šta je bilo. Ova pičketina, ove tri govnara, misle da su neki kurac. Doći ću, jebaću i mater u pičku svoj trojici, bre. Eto to ću poručiti samo. Pičketine sve tri. Jebem li mu ja mamu nabeđenu italijansku pičku, brate. Eto to ću kažem samo.
Darko, malo se smiri, pa utisci utakmici.
Popušeni kurac, malo je to napišite, brate. Sva trojica, jedan i drugi i treći, boli da kurac kosu. Eto to ću kažem samo. Šta ste šibali pičketine, jedno ne sudi ništa, ustro se, jebaću mu kevicu malo, ja usta, bre. Imali su veliku priliku. Ma vraća, bre, veru, viš, borimo se tu, umro sam, čovječe. Idem na infuziju sad, razumeš, oni nas pokradu tu ko govna, bre. Eto, to je to.
Wütende Wölfe, Frust, Fassungslosigkeit. Schon zum dritten Mal in dieser Saison.
It's 36 wins in a row in 2011 for Novak Djokovic. The toughest match surely, though in that book. 4:30 for the parts. The heart of this man just gets bigger and bigger.
Vucinic non la tiene in campo, c'è rimessa laterale per il Catania.
Ovi urlici Janka Tipsarevića su sasvim izvrsno proizveli određenu reakciju u publici, ali su i dodatno motivisali Janka. Svaka čast. Sreća pa Britanci nisu ovo razumeli.
Alex, congratulations. What a way to do it.
Yeah, but we are happy. I think now it's maybe better that we scored in last minutes and most painful for them.
It's even sweeter, isn't
Wait
it?
Wait a second. I odjebi ljaksa.
So, what was it like in the dressing room when you went in? It must have been...
Djokovic, I think he's upset with the crowd.
15-all.
We have had some fans the last couple of days. I mean, you can't really complain about it. I mean, the place has been packed. It's been full, great energy, and sometimes the fans just forget about it and have been shouting out during points.
Light Freeze Cam, brought to you by Frost Brewed Coors Light.
Mark Jackson picked up a technical foul. That's why you're seeing Kobe Bryant
miss a free throw.
I've never seen, this is the first time in years, I mean, every time he shoots a free throw, he's got body English on it, trying to will it home.
That's because he just doesn't, it doesn't feel right coming out his hand because of his wrist.